Hi there. First of all, I just want to say, life is kind of crazy right now, right? It's really tough to be forced to stay inside and not be able to go out into the world and having to change your day-to-day and how you go about doing things. And it really forces you to really look at yourself on the inside, right? And what's going on in your home and this and that. So I hope that you can look at it as an opportunity to maybe see where you can improve in some areas in your life, or maybe give back to yourself and that self-care and that time that you haven't been able to give to yourself, you know, or maybe implement some new habits or get rid of some bad habits. There is positivity out there that can come from this. And I truly believe that we're all stronger than we think we are. So I just want to start off by saying that. But the other reason I came on here is because I want to reintroduce myself. I feel like as a businesswoman, it's important to know what this platform is for in my life. And I also want you guys to be able to come to my page and know what the hell it is that I'm giving to you or sharing with you and this and that. So I just wanted to come on, reintroduce myself, let you know what you're going to be seeing in my content. And yeah, so I'm Courtnie. I'm 33 years old. I live in Long Beach, California with my husband, Dustin, and our dog, Gunner. I am also a licensed cosmetologist, and I chose to take my career further in being a hairstylist. I work in Hermosa Beach, California with 4 other amazing stylists who I love and adore at our little shop, Peroxide. I'm also one of those people that thrives on creating systems. And I don't mean like any kind of systems. I mean systems that help make your life purposeful and simple and intentional. I kind of always been this kind of person ever since I was really young, but it's really shifted for me in these past years on how to implement my systems and what kind of intent I need to have behind them. For years, I have actually struggled with a slew of health issues, from debilitating digestion to an autoimmune disease, which led into anxiety and depression. And it really made me realize that, yeah, you can have all these systems, but if there's no purpose behind it, if there's no self-love or, you know, simplicity about it, that it actually just becomes more of a struggle and a bit more daunting. So that's basically what I'm going to be sharing on here. I have done loads and loads of research and trial and error to recreate these systems that I'm using in my life that have helped me learn how to balance running a business and being a wife. I mean, I have systems that come from self-care, health, wellness. I mean, I even have systems that help better my relationship with not just my husband, but with family and friends. So I am really big on self-love. I naturally lean into beauty because I am a cosmetologist. And staying true to maintaining well physical and mental health. So now I have developed this lifestyle, and I'm still recreating this lifestyle that is mindful and simple and healthy, and most importantly, it's sustainable and manageable. So this isn't about making life hard and turning people into freaking robots. That's not what I'm here to do. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be sharing. I'm gonna be sharing my story and how I developed this lifestyle that I have now that I'm pretty proud of. And my hope is that if there's anybody out there that was even like me, that needed answers, that needed help, that I'll be out there, I'll be here to share that with you, because I really feel like that's what this platform is for. There is so many of us in this world that have knowledge and experience and things that either people are going through, or maybe people want to implement in their lives and they just don't know how to. We can be those resources for each other, and I think that's more important now than ever. So that's me. That's what you're going to be seeing in my content. I hope you stick around. I hope you invite people to come. So keep swinging back. I'm going to be introducing series and just sharing with you guys what I got going on in my world. And maybe it can be somewhat relatable to yours too. All right. Bye, guys.